interesting historical journey of dollar in Pakistan. The story of the dollar in the history of Pakistan from 1947 to 2022. From 1947 to 1954, $1 was 3.31 rupees PKR. In 1955 was 1956 is 4.76 PKR. Then you started, we are here, West Pakistan, and you are there, East Pakistan. In 1972, US dollar 11.01 PKR. In 73, 9.9 PKR. Then the war against terrorism and drugs began. In 92, $1 is 11.85. In 1983, $1 equal to 13.12. In 1984, US dollar 14.05 PKR. In 1985, $1 is equal to 15.93. 1986, 16.65. 87, 17.40. In 98, $1 18 rupees. Then the political activities increase and they start giving bread, cloth and house. In 1989, 20.54 PKR. In 1990, 21.71 PKR. In 1991, $1 is equal to 23.80 PKR. In 1992, $1 is equal to 25.08. Then we start building motorways so that the Pakistan start to develop twice during the day and night. In 93, $1 was 28.11. In 1994, 30.57. In 95, 31.64. In 1996, 36.08. In 1997, 41.11. Corruption started to increase and the country was taken over by strong hands. In 1998, $1 is equal to 45.05. In 99, 51.90. In 2000, 51.90. In 2001, 63.50. In 2002, 60.50. In 2003, 57.75. In 2004, 57.80. In 2005, $1 was 59.70 PKR. In 2006, $1 was 60.40 PKR. In 2007, $1 was 60.83. The Pakistan started shaking khape. In 2008, $1 was 81.10. In 2009, $1 is equal to 84.10. In 2010, $1 85.75. In 2011, 88.60. In 2012, 96.50. In 2013, 107.20 PKR. In 2014, $1 was 103 PKR. In 2015, $1 105.20 PKR. In 2016, 104.60 PKR. In 2007, 110.01 PKR. After that, the builders of the Naya Pakistan come and the dollar start flying. In 2008, $1 was 130 PKR. In 2019, $1 was 163.75. In 2020, 168.88. In 2021, 179.16. Then the alliance of 13 parties started. In 2022, one US dollar was 217.95, and we blindly clapped every time.